Guess what I did? Yep, I bought another pile of junk. So because I just can't have one generic mid-70s Chevy pickup truck, I found this one down the street from my friend's house in an alley. I saw it a few months ago and just kind of really didn't think anything of it. And then last week I asked him, I was like, hey, why don't you go see what's up with that truck? It's been sitting there. So he called the guy. Turns out he's a motivated seller. For some reason he wanted the money for it really quickly. Transferred it within an hour. So yeah, I have this truck now. So it's a 73 C10. It's not a 454, it's a 350. The reason I bought it was there's like almost no rust on it. There's a spot there, but the rockers and the cab corners are good. The bed's that's rust in the air. I don't know how that even rusts. But this is decent. It's bubbling up around here. Not too bad. It's a single tank truck. It has not new, but relatively new complete dual exhaust system on it. See, the tailgate's pretty good. Got a smashed taillight here. These you can get new for like $15. Here's the tank. See, this side's like pretty good too. Now, unless it has like 10 pounds of mud in it that I'm not aware of, looks pretty decent. Got the pappy mirrors on it. Got some bed rails. Here's the air cleaner. I took it off. They came with this classy beverage. Check it out. Old German premium lager beer. Quite a few of them in the bed. Dude was partying hard. We got some stickers in the back. Bed light. Oh, I have a corgi, by the way. That's Rudy. Here's the under the hood of the beast here. 350 4-barrel generic mid-70s motor. Actually, I'm thinking it's a 350. I don't even know for sure. The truck came with a 350, but that doesn't mean anything. I'm like 99% sure this isn't the original motor. First of all, it has an EGR. It has an internally regulated alternator, and it has HEI. The EGR it might have had. I don't know for sure what 73s had, but it definitely didn't have the internal regulated alternator or the HEI. So when you add all that together, motor's probably been changed at some point. Has headers, no air conditioning. I don't know why that crap's unplugged. Has power steering. Has a new brake booster, which I already tried. It's bad. Causes the engine to stall when you hit it. I mean, it hasn't really been messed with. It has a really interesting fabricated battery box here. Angle iron and crap. Show you the luxurious interior. Spray painted door panels. We have this thing. I've never seen one of these before. It's like a little tray that the visors go on. It's kind of neat. It's a manual trans, SM465 creeper gear trans. I opened the glove box yesterday and it fell right on the fucking floor. So that's cool. AM radio. Got your cargo thinger. Brake lights over there because it's a basic truck. But pretty much everything works. That's the pappy seat cover. Solid rear window, thank God. I'm tired of having freaking the sliders on them. Every truck I've ever owned has had a sliding rear window. But here, I'll show you the major selling point of this truck. Okay, get ready for this. Oh, by the way, try the gas pedal. Anyway. There we go. Listen to that. He said the motor had a little bit of a rattle. A little bit. Just a little bit of a rattle. Yeah. I'm not sure what that is yet. He said it's a bad rod bearing. I'm not really sure. Because you can tell it kind of calms down. Sometimes it goes away entirely. And it gets worse like you're hearing. Look at that, nothing. There it is again. 30 pounds oil pressure. I unplugged all of the spark plug wires one by one and the sound didn't change. And normally the sound will change on the cylinder that has the bad rod or the bad wrist pin because you're taking the load off of it. Oh, it's good now. But yeah, it didn't do that. Other than the motor sound doesn't eject itself, like, it runs beautiful. It's quiet, except for the rock. Like, yeah, I don't know. Let's turn that off for now. So the reason I bought this truck is I was looking for something to swap another motor into anyway. So I didn't really care, but I kind of like the thing to be a little bit drivable for a few months till I get to it. Because nothing else really wrong with it. So I'm going to check a few things before I condemn this motor. And we'll see where it goes from there. But for now, it'll just be known as the Rod Knock Express.